OmniPeek from WildPackets is an award-winning, full-featured wireless LAN analysis and troubleshooting software system. WildPackets has a history of innovation in 802.11, introducing the first analyzer back in 2001, the first to add voice over IP analysis in 2005, the first to do 11N in 2011, and the first to do 11AC 3-stream, also including captures from access points in 2013. Let's take a quick tour through the product to give you an idea of how easy OmniPeek is to use and how many different types of problems you could possibly solve using OmniPeek from WildPackets. Here we're looking at one of our main dashboards in OmniPeek, our Compass dashboard. This is a very flexible dashboard that allows you to show a wide range of information about your wireless network. Here we're looking at a very short comparison of the average data rate for our overall network, as well as the throughput for our 802.11 AC traffic. And we can see our AC traffic is up at 1.3 gigabits per second, while the rest of our average traffic is certainly much lower, as we'd expect. OmniPeek also offers a number of very flexible choices when it comes to capturing the data. Very quickly, we can come to our new captures area and see first that we can do local captures from our local machine from any of the wireless devices that are connected, and they're indicated with a little wireless symbol. We can also do captures directly from access points, from Aruba access points, or from Cisco access points with our remote adapter. And we can also do channel aggregation, where we can pick any one of the adapters that are attached to our system and turn on each one individually and use them simultaneously. So we can have one set to channel 3, one to 6, one to 8, for example, which are the channels we use here for our wireless LAN, and we can capture on all 3 channels simultaneously so that we capture all of the traffic on the wireless LAN. Another key capability of OmniPeek is our expert analysis. Our expert analysis runs in the background looking for network faults on a continuous basis. As you can see, we have a number of expert events which are specific to wireless, including some in the performance area and in the security area, analyzing all different types of possible problems on the wireless LAN, again, on an ongoing basis. Roaming is also a critical issue when it comes to wireless, and OmniPeek provides a full capability for doing roaming analysis. We can analyze our rooms individually and log them, or look at them by node or by access point, which is a very convenient way to see how each one of our access points is performing when it comes to doing that critical function of actually handing off a user from one access point to another as they move around the wireless LAN. Voice analysis is part of OmniPeek and handles both the wired and wireless side of the network. Here we're looking at a wireless call, or in this case often called VoFi, a voice over wireless call, and we can see that in OmniPeek we're able to analyze each and every one of those calls. We analyze them by each individual direction of the call. We highlight one direction, and we're able to see critical parameters about the voice over IP call, like the packet loss, the one-way delay, the jitter, and the various metrics that are available, like the mean opinion score, listening quality, call quality, etc., that show you the quality of that call. One more click into the call, and we actually bring up a bounce diagram that shows you packet by packet exactly what has transpired on that call, all of the signaling, as well as all of the media aspects of that call, so that you can do detailed analysis of any and all voice over IP calls on the wireless LAN. As you know, with wireless LANs, not all problems are related to the wireless side of the network. As we begin to run more mission-critical apps on our wireless LAN, we're interested more in the quality of experience from the application perspective for our users, and that involves analyzing both the wired and the wireless side of the network. OmniPeek is able to do that by comparing both the wired and wireless side of the network in terms of performance. Here we're looking at the wireless side of the network, packet by packet on the left-hand side, the wired side on the right-hand side, and the first thing that becomes very obvious is we are suffering from a number of retransmissions on the wireless side of the network before those packets even make it to the wired side of the network, something we'd want to spend a little more time troubleshooting. We mentioned briefly at the beginning about our Compass dashboard. I wanted to come back to this just to show that we are very current with our technology. We're supporting 802.11 AC, already up to the 3-stream capabilities that are available in enterprise access points today. We can capture directly from those access points to get that 3-stream data. And one of the beauties of OmniPeek is not only do we capture things and display things at an overall monitoring level, we can also always very quickly get down to the packet level and see individual packets on the network if that's important for troubleshooting. So OmniPeek is able to take you from a very high-level overall view of your network via our dashboards all the way down to very detailed information for detailed analysis. This is just a quick run-through of some of the key features of OmniPeek. We have far more videos on our website where you can see all of these features in detail. And you can also go to our website for an evaluation of OmniPeek. So please come see us at www.wildpackets.com and sign up for an evaluation. Thank you very much.